We had an exciting brand new event for all of you guys this morning, the first ever SeaWorld Orlando's fashion show to celebrate 5 years of fear here at SeaWorld Orlando. We showcase looks from some of our haunted houses, our scare zones, and our brand new show, Throttle. So it was a super exciting morning to show off all the looks and to see a little bit about what this year's event entails.
Now it's time for the obligatory show items and blah blah blah. This hat is $34.99. I didn't say prices for anything else. Of course, this year's event shirt, nice glass there. And ooh, down here we have this really cool USB rechargeable blacklight, which, oh, that's not part of it, sorry. We have a throw blanket, a cool shirt, I'm sure that's a glow-in-the-dark hat, pretty sure. The Do Not Disturb necklace for those who can't handle the intensity of the event. A shirt that's also a pin. It's a really cool bottle. It's actually a nice cup as well. Some shot glasses, of course. Some more pins. Not really a pin guy, but these are pretty cool. Hat. Spooky skeleton on your shoulder. 5 years of fear. Another nice cup. Loungefly, of course. Another USB. Oh wait, that's still not part of it. A cup. Spirit jersey, of course. And a spooky guy on your shoulder.
We have a lot of new items this year, and so we have 3 brand new houses, new scare zones, new themed bars. We'll be featuring Hell's-A-Poppin' show at our Carnival. We have a brand new atmosphere type show over at Lakeside Patio called Throttle that will introduce everybody to Havoc, our new lead character for HOWL-O-SCREAM this year.
We also have, like I mentioned, 5 haunted houses. 3 of them are brand new, and 2 of them are fan favorites. 6 scare zones, and 2 live shows, 5 interactive bars. The bars are actually my favorite part of SeaWorld Orlando's HOWL-O-SCREAM because we add a level of entertainment and live immersive environment to every single bar. So it's not just going to the bar and maybe getting your cocktail or favorite drink. It's also an experience where you can stay and have fun with your friends and family and the bar, and just almost even do a bar crawl here at SeaWorld Orlando.
Every night we're going to be looking for some prospective butchers' apprentices to see if they can hack it at being a butcher. We're going to put them through a couple of exercises and tests that have been described as the most disgusting, foul, and just nastiest things that we have ever created, not only for SeaWorld HOWL-O-SCREAM, but any HOWL-O-SCREAM we shoot.
That's a lot of them, going back pretty far too. Yeah. So that's quite an accomplishment.
Going out on a steak game. Gotta live here. Yes.
Yes. So how did Havoc hide from us all these years in the shadows?
So Havoc is actually in our HOWL-O-SCREAM DNA logo. So he has been watching and he has been present the entire time. He was just held captive by the sirens being here. But he wanted to make sure that we realize that just because the sirens are gone does not mean that anyone should live without fear.
So this isn't just a preview for SeaWorld Orlando. They also showed a few characters from HOWL-O-SCREAM Tampa to promote their 2-park pass. I know this sounds really cliche, but seriously, thank you so much to SeaWorld Orlando for having me out. It really was a great event. I wasn't sure what to expect. I thought it was just a fashion show, but it was a lot more. A lot of great interviews. Looking forward to this year's event. I really enjoyed the event. I hope you really enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.
5 years of fear and terror, and I can't wait to meet you all this year.